Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm in the Mandalay Hotel and I'm just going to show you the Mandalay Place, the shops at Mandalay Place. So let's go up and we'll see. It's really cool. Just behind me where I started off is a House of Blues restaurant, and just next to that is where Carlos Santana has a residency, which I've got I've never seen. I would have liked to have done that, but you're going to do so much. I wish we had more time here. It's an awesome place. Really liked it. Oh, there's an Irish pub. And a Guinness store. Oh yeah. Oh, I need to come back here. Why is it now, on the last day, the last couple of hours, that I find out there's a Guinness store? Oh, I need to go. I don't buy much brands, but look at this here. I've got my Guinness t-shirt. That was handy, wasn't it? I prove my allegiance. Guinness, that's my drink. So let's see what they've got. Welcome to Vegas. Oh, hopefully it's opening soon. Oh, take my money, take my money. I've got to come back here. Hiya, what time do you open at?
At 10.
10, oh, thank you very much. Thank you. 10 o'clock it opens, so I'll be coming back right here, that's for sure. There's a wee Irish pub. Oh, take my money, take my money. It's quite fortunate. I had a wee win last night. So, I think the money, easy come, easy go, the money's going in there. They're up one. Oh, I've got a hat shop. I've already got a cowboy hat. Chapel hats. They've got some lovely. I was in one, and there's one in the Venetian that does all these hats. It's a chapel hats. I liked that one with the cards on it. That one's quite cool. I see there's one with a feather on it. Oh. I shouldn't have come in here, it's going to cost me a fortune. But yeah, I'm only here once. I'm going to get myself a cowboy hat. It's a wee bit of a short video, so I'm going to try downstairs. I want to end it there. So, just to check what time it is. Got an hour and 20 minutes before the Guinness shop opens. Luckily it's right next door to the Luxor, so I can do it really quick. We've got a limo coming to pick us up, so that's coming at 11:30. So I'm not going to do a video on that because there's other people with me, so they're a bit camera shy. So I've got plenty of time. I can come get myself some Guinness stuff and then go and get a hat. That's what I'll do. Oh, I've made a mistake. I've come down the wrong way. You couldn't really see down from up there. It just looked like it was going to another level, but I think there's a bit further over. I'm sure I did see one, so I'll go down and I'll see what's there. The golf shop, I don't know if it's still open or it's kind of shut or closed. Don't know. Las Vegas stock market. Oh, I never noticed. Look at the wee toucans. Oh, I can't wait to come back. Oh, we did start over here, but I think there's restaurants and that down here, so I'll go and show you what the restaurants are like. There's so much to do in Vegas that it would be impossible to do it all, you know, in your own lifetime. I don't know. Certainly just visiting, staying here, and No, I don't think even if you stayed here, I don't think you've got a chance. No, that's it. Well folks, that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Right, take care, bye bye. Oh, and I'm going to go to the Guinness. Go to the Guinness, going to go to the Irish restaurant, get my breakfast, and we'll see. So, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye. Oh, and I'll be in San Francisco. So please like, subscribe and share if you want to see that. Thank you. It really helps the channel out, and also leave a wee comment. Thank you, bye bye.